Hello Ebba, I'm Francis McGlone, and I'm a professor in neuroscience, and my laboratory is in Liverpool in the United Kingdom. Now I understand you've asked a very tricky question, is how do people itch or why do they itch? Well, as it happens, this is an area of research that I'm really interested in. In fact, I have actually been awarded a special prize called the Ig Nobel Prize for work I've done on the sense of itch. So why do we itch? Well, I suppose the first thing we need to find out is how does that happen? So there are special nerves in your skin. In fact, there's lots of nerves in your skin. So the way that you feel something when somebody touches you, the way that you will feel the warmth of something when something lands, something touches your body, or if you prick yourself with a pin and you feel a little ouch. There's lots of different nerves that tell your brain about all the things that are going on your body. The one that I've been fascinated with for ages is the nerve that responds to itch. So if a little fly or flea bites you, you get a little swelling on your skin, and you get that desire, almost uncontrollable urge to scratch that piece of skin. And that's what the itch nerve is doing. The itch nerve is telling your brain there's something on my skin that I think I need to get rid of, and the way I can get rid of it is by giving it a scratch. And what you'll find when you scratch is that that's quite a pleasant sensation for many people. So scratching an itch is what we call rewarding. But what that does is make sure that you do it in the same way that if you hurt yourself, you're unlikely to touch that bit of skin because it'll be a little more sensitive. So these nerves that basically tell your brain about itching and pain have all developed a way to look after you. So when you scratch an itch, you're taking away something that could be hurting your skin. The scratching of the itch makes sure it goes away. So all the blood goes to that little bit of skin and starts clearing away the little sort of, they call it a prurigen, but that's a bit of a long word. So that's the thing that makes you itch. And those itches can actually, if they're uncontrollable, of course, they can drive you nuts because you just keep scratching. So some people get what they call a long-term itch, and that can become very difficult to sort of stop. But there's lots of doctors that are looking at how to control itch. But as a scientist, I'm always interested in why it's there in the first place. So there you go. There's a nerve in your skin that tells your brain about something that you want to scratch. Okay, thank you very much for your gorgeous question, Ebba.